Hey everybody, welcome back. All of you that have been following me on Instagram and following the channel so far, you all know that I've been updating my shop by closing it off from the other side of the basement. You can see behind me, I've already got some of my jigs for the table saw and everything hanging up. My miter gauges, my saw blades, they're all hanging on there. That's why I'm going to leave those beams exposed. On the other side of the basement, what I need to do now to finish that off, because it's almost done, obviously we're going to build the barn door, like I said, sliding barn door, but that's on hold for just a little bit, because what I want to do is now carry the existing baseboard that's already there around the new wall that I just built. So that's going to finish that off. So today I'm going to show you a little trick on cutting a perfect inside corner, and then in the next video I'll show you how to do a perfect return to end that baseboard. So let's get started by taking you on the other half of the basement, showing you what's going on. Okay guys, so now we're here on the other side of the basement. I built two walls. You've seen it framed out in the Instagram photo, and what I did was make a rough opening and then finish it off with the sheetrock, because this is where the sliding door is going to go. Now, what I need to do is carry this around and end it here. I got to do an inside corner over here, and then I need to run baseboard along the other wall on that side, and then I got to do my returns. So today I'm going to show you a trick to do a perfect inside corner. Because I have this already installed, this baseboard, I never touched this. All I did was cut it straight down so that I can fit in the sheetrock and everything. What I need to do is what's called coat the molding. So once I do that, it's going to look like a perfect 45 inside corner.
The first thing I'm going to do is stand my baseboard up and turn my miter saw to the left 45 degrees. Then I'm going to make a cut as if I was cutting two 45s on a normal inside corner.
Okay guys, so the first thing I did for the coping, the process is to cut the 45 to match the angle of the inside of the wall. And what that does is it exposes our profile here. So you can shade that in with a pencil. I might do it just so you can see it on camera a little bit better. You see this? This is the profile here. Okay, so now what we need to do is take a coping saw, and I'm going to make some relief cuts first. Straight in. Go right to the line. I don't want to go past the line, because then I'm going to have a hole in the baseboard. I'm going to make another relief right over here at the curve. Now we need to make the cut along this line, but what I'm going to do is do a back bevel cut. So I'm going to come here against my line, but I'm going to angle my saw maybe to about a little less than 45, just to get that excess out of there so that we can slide it in. Okay, once you complete the coping saw part of it, you should have an edge that looks like this here, which is the profile of the molding, and on that back bevel. Alright, so now we have the molding up towards the corner, and you can see how the cope, this is the cope end, by the way, the coped piece that we cut. We're going to take that and fit that right in there, and there we have a perfect inside corner. So you can see here the floor is kind of sinking down. That's because the cement under it was never leveled up. So we're just going to get as close as we can. So now that I have my perfect inside corner, I'm just going to tack it in. Okay guys, so there's your coped corner. You can see that it looks like it was two 45s. And then we come down the line here, and you can see that I made a return. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that return. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's quick video. We did an inside coped corner. Next week I'll show you how to make this mitered return here to end the baseboard. That's one of two ways you can do it. I happen to like the way that looks, but there's another way, and both of them are pretty simple. Just got to be shown the right way to do it. All right, guys, so a little joint compound in here, a little caulk on the top right there, and then we could do another coat of paint, cover that all up, and then we're all done. Now I need to move to the other side of the wall there, and I'll show you how to do that return next week, and then we're going to start building, we have to do sliding barn doors. I'm doing a miter saw station. I don't know if you guys seen the setup I have right now. I have a sliding compound dual bevel miter saw sitting on my workbench. That's not going to be like that forever. I need to make a nice dedicated workbench, you know, a miter station that has drawers and cabinets and all that good stuff. All right, so stick around, all right, guys? That's going to be some good stuff. Got a lot of shop projects to do. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you subscribe. Click the picture of the notification bell down there also. That'll notify you every time I upload a video so you don't miss a thing. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.